In this lecture, we will learn how to use polygon command. Go to polygon command. Now, specify the number of sides of polygon. Give 5 number of sides. Select first point and select inscribed circle. Now, specify the radius of circle. Give radius value of 12 mm. To understand what is inscribed circle, draw a circle, select circle and give radius value of 12 mm. Here, you can see that the polygon is inside the circle. That's why it is called inscribed circle. Again, select polygon, give 6 number of sides, select first point and select circumscribed circle and give radius value of 12 mm. Draw a circle, select center point and give radius value of 12 mm. Here, you can see that the polygon is outside the circle. That is why it is called circumscribed circle.